Hey everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. My name is Jericho and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like this type of contents and if you're new to this channel, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss any of my videos. I post cooking videos every Saturday. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make steamed buns, also known as Siopaos. Enough talking, let's make this, shall we? To make our Siopao is super easy, but the only equipment you'll need is a steamer. As always, all the recipes are in the description box down below. First things first, we're going to make our Siopao filling. Before we make the filling, grab a chicken thigh and cut them into small pieces. Repeat the same process with 7 more chicken thighs and then we can transition to the stove. Once you finish cutting the chicken thighs, heat the pot to medium heat, then add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, and 1 whole diced onion. Then cook the onions until they're translucent. After that, add the chicken thighs and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. And also don't forget to add the salt and pepper. Once your chicken looks like this, add 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and finally add 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Mix them to combine everything, then let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes or until they're fully cooked. Once the chicken is fully cooked, add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch diluted with a quarter cup of water, then add it to the chicken. And mix it properly because it'll get thick within seconds. After that, turn off the heat and set it aside. And there you go. That's our asado or Siopao filling. Let's transition back to the countertop and we can now start making the dough. In a bowl, add 2 cups of warm water, following with 1 pack or 9 grams of instant yeast and 2.5 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Give it a quick whisk, then let it bloom for 8 minutes to see that if your yeast is active or not. While the yeast is blooming, in a mixing bowl add 5 cups of flour, half a cup of granulated sugar, then mix it to combine everything. And finally, add 6 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the yeast is nice and bubbly, dunk the yeast mixture into the mixing bowl and mix it until it's starting to come together. After that, drop it into your work surface, then knead it until it's nice and elastic. To know when to stop kneading the dough, tear a small piece of the dough and stretch it wider without tearing. That means you can stop kneading. But if it's still tearing, just continue kneading the dough. After that, shape it into a nice taut ball and let it rise for 1 to 2 hours or until they're doubled in size. 1 to 2 hours later, your dough should look like this. Dust your work surface with flour, then dunk your risen dough and degas the dough and then make a hole in the center, almost like a giant donut. Then grab your dough scraper or a small kitchen knife and cut it to widen them out. And then shape them into a size of a golf ball. Once you pre-shape the dough, grab a rolling pin, then flatten them out. It should be wider than your palm of your hand. After that, add a spoonful of Siopao filling and then pinch and crimp the sides to shape it into a bun. It's not the best looking, but it'll do the job. And then lay them on a parchment paper and leave it aside. Once you've finished filling up the buns, steam them for 7 to 10 minutes. 7 to 10 minutes later, it's ready to serve. This is by far the best Siopaos you'll ever make. Well, there you go, my friends. That's how you make homemade Siopao. If it's helpful, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you'll never miss any of my videos. I post cooking videos every Saturday. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye!